perseverance, tenacity, and I'd like to render that.
Yeah. You know, intensity determines the distance at which the acceleration of the sound propagates. So we have amplitude, we have frequency, we have velocity, we have acceleration, and we have momentum. So what is the disparity? What is the correlation?
My whole point for saying this is today I wanna discuss composing and arranging music. I'm not charging for this. This is my reciprocity. I feel like I've been blessed with a number of different abilities, stuff like diligence, perseverance.
That's the physics interpretation of sound. You know, amplitude, frequency, velocity, acceleration, momentum, right? And it propagates in nature.